Welcome to Doplac CRM, the ultimate CRM solution for your digital agency. I'm Tanzil and today I will be showing you how you can create a professional order form using Doplac CRM, making it easy to share with your client and streamline your workflow. Click on Order From under Client area from the left menu, and this is the page where you can find all the order form that you have created earlier. As I have one order form, it's showing here. If you don't have any order form, then the page will be blank for you. So to create a new order form, just click on Create Order Form. Give your order form a name. Okay. Now click on Add Services. So you have to make sure that you have services on your Doplac CRM. If you need any help how to create services and add-ons, then I'm gonna add a video to the I button or in the description below, so you can check it out how to create services and add-ons on your Doplac CRM. So click on Add Services. Those are the services at this moment available on my Doplac CRM. So I'm going to choose my first one, click and continue, and here it is. This services has 3 different packages. 2 of them are packages, 1 of them are add-ons. So you have to choose which package or which add-ons you want to make the order from with. So I'm going to delete extra services and add-ons from the package. So this is the package I'm gonna make the order from with. When you are done with choosing packages and add-ons, then just click on Save and Continue. So under the billing details, you don't have to do anything. You actually can't change anything. This is the field for your client. When your client will access, or when you will share the order from to your client, then your client will actually fill up the billing details part. So you don't have to do anything with the billing details part. And after that, make sure your payment method is connected. My payment method is already connected here. So when you are done, just click on Save and Continue. And here it is. If you need any additional information about your order, then you can make a level or placeholder here. So I'm going to show you as an example. As an example, you need any extra information about your order, then you can create a placeholder here. So here it is. Okay, it is. I'm gonna make it require. I don't need any extra level or any extra information, so I'm gonna delete others levels. So when you're done, just click on Save, and here it is. My order form is successfully created. This is the link you can copy and you can share with your client. Then I'm gonna share it. Here it is. As an example, when your client will click on the link, they will land on the order form page. This is the page they will land, and they have to fill up all the billing details, and after that they will click on Pay to pay your order. So it's all about actually creating an order form on Doplac and sharing it with your client. If you need any help or if you have any feedback about creating order form on Doplac CRM, then leave them in the comment below, or don't forget to reach out our support team. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.